Hello everyone. I'm Buchi. I'm the founder and CEO of LEVO.ai. Thanks a lot, Seasides, for this opportunity to talk about LEVO. What is LEVO? Where does LEVO exist, and what does LEVO do? LEVO is the next generation API observability and security company. Why does LEVO exist? With the adoption of cloud, CI/CD, and Kubernetes and containerization, all of this, we all know that software is getting deployed to production at much faster pace than ever in the history. However, making sure these applications are completely secure or the security posture verification is not fully automated. The net result is a lot of vulnerabilities leak into production, sitting there in production to be exploited by hackers or bad actors, or like ticking bombs. And the situation is much worse for APIs because there's like way too many number of APIs, or the APIs are growing much more rapidly, and the attacks on APIs are much more sophisticated than the previous generation web app attacks. So because of this, basically there's a huge space or void where automation of security posture verification of APIs and microservices is has to be solved, and that's why Levo exists. Levo's vision is to help all enterprises to deploy applications with confidence to production, being assured that they are rock solid and no bad actor can actually exploit or abuse them. And how do we do it? We do it in three steps. With observe, inspect, and test. We call it as first, by leveraging technologies like eBPF in a revolutionary way, we observe API traffic and we inventory all the applications and APIs that our enterprise has in an unprecedented scale and way. Like literally in minutes, we build open API specifications for each and every API that's present in an enterprise. Literally in minutes, no code changes needed, a single command that gets you all this. And that gives unparalleled visibility into all the APIs that an enterprise has. And lot on all the documentation and lots of questions around what kind of authentication is present on these APIs, what authorization, and all these details help enterprises to understand the risk coming from all these APIs. And then we security test all these APIs continuously in the earlier stages of SDLC, in the CI/CD, or even from a developer's laptop at an unprecedented scale, and eventually helping enterprises to put completely tested microservices and APIs in production with confidence. That's what Levo is. Basically, we help you observe, inspect, and test your microservices and APIs at an unprecedented scale in a fully automated way. If you're more interested, check out our website or book a demo, and we can get into all the fun discussions around, why we do the things the way we do it. For me, it's a community. Actually, I've been watching for several months the community around Seasides, the excitement and enthusiasm that all of these people have. Like, I have not seen anything like this. Everybody is super excited and has been waiting, and all the fun memes around, like, how they are looking forward to join this conference. That definitely caught my attention, and I'm like, it's really amazing to see such enthusiastic bunch waiting for this conference to happen. That definitely caught my attention. The fact that Seasides actually is giving all this training and coaching to all the young generation and students is amazing. Actually, we need a lot more security practitioners, a lot more people to be aware of infosec area or cybersecurity area in general. There's a lot more education to be done, and I think Seasides is doing a great job there. And then, us sponsoring this conference is a very small portion of it, but I think, like, not just us, but companies, like lots of vendors and companies need to sponsor this, because industry as a whole need to educate a lot more people on cybersecurity, because we all are in it together to actually take on the bad actors. So I really think, like, us vendors and Seasides conference coming together is a noble mission, and glad that we are able to be part of it in a small way. I'm super excited about the topics, the wide variety of topics that are being covered and the trainings that are present in this conference. I see sessions all the way from exploiting Linux kernel to, exploiting IoT devices, hardware hacking, and even smart skills. Like it's very wide range, and I'm super glad that India has conferences like Seasides. We definitely need them. Like we have lots of conferences in US like RSA, Black Hat, and DEF CON. Like we need similar conferences in India at such scale and covering wide variety of topics. And I'm super glad Seasides is playing a huge role as part of that. So although I'm not going to be there this time, I'm definitely looking forward to join maybe next year. Our team also will try to join. But I'm super excited about all the trainings and talks that are going on there. Hopefully, people will have lots of fun and learn a lot and create relationships being at this conference. Good luck to everyone.